Hi there, planner friends. This is Kathleen with Apricot Tree Planning, and I'm coming at you with a super speedy plan with me for a mock-up that I did in my Michael's Recollection Planner. This is for the kit called Happy Easter, and it is just a sweet, sweet kit. I really love the artwork on this, and it just has a kind of fun country primitive vibe and just lots of cute banners and just feels really Eastery and spring-like, and I hope that you'll really like it. It is available in the shop. This mock-up is of a deluxe kit, so it has the date covers. It also has the little time corners, which I find super helpful for marking when an appointment or a task has a certain time associated with it. And I just think it's really lovely and lots of cute little Easter eggs. And I hope that you'll like it too. I hope you're having fun shopping for spring kits for your planner. And come on, Easter, I'm ready for you. Thanks so much for watching my little video, and I hope that you enjoyed it. This kit's available in the Erin Condren version, a Happy Planner version, a TN version, which fits really well for mini Happy Planners, and also if you're in the Leafy Treetop Planner, I have it in horizontal and vertical.